Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing something very special from Simply Gothic. I am super excited to show you, but before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload. And welcome. So, the wonderful, beautiful Kirsty Simply Spooky, who has the amazing online jewellery and stationery company Simply Gothic, contacted me and asked me if I would like to unbox a parcel, and it has got something extremely exciting in it. It has got the 2023, I'm assuming 2022, 2023 Gothic planner inside, and I am so excited! If you weren't aware, Simply Gothic is a jewellery and stationery brand. She has an amazing online website. Some of her stationery has featured on the channel before, including these amazing stationery items. We have the shopping list. We have the general planner. I love it, I love it, I love it. And we have the meal planner. I use these all the time. So the meal planner is super duper useful for me when I am trying to watch what I'm eating. I have a wedding coming up in less than 2 weeks. It is the Haunted Bats wedding. So I'm trying to be really good so that I look really awesome in my dress. And don't worry, there will be a video with some Gothic wedding outfits for you, as I know that a few of you have asked for that in the past, so that will be coming up soon. And then we also have this amazing planner. So I have used this today. In fact, I haven't ticked off some of the things that I have done. So today I have washed my hair, done the washing, I have done the emails, I have done the posting. I haven't done filming yet, I'm filming it now, and I haven't made dinner. There we go. I've got a tidy for when my mother and father-in-law get here. My daughter went on a residential, and later I am going to see Scenes Queen tonight. I am super excited. They are supporting Wargasm in Southampton, so I am going to go and see that. I will let you know how it was. Hopefully it was amazing. I am super duper excited. I love Scene Queen. Go check her out if you are not familiar with her stuff. It is Bimbo Core. Flipping love it. Absolutely love it. And here we have my shopping list with what I need to buy from the supermarket when we next go. So these things that I unboxed, along with some beautiful jewellery in my last video, I will link it up here. Oh, they're so useful. And when she contacted me and asked me if I would like to unbox the new Gothic planner, I jumped at it. So she brought the last Gothic planner out, I want to say about a year ago. I'm not really sure. The year seems to have gone by so fast and yet so slowly at the same time. But it sold out almost immediately. She did an online version as well, which was such a great idea. And then when she said she had a new version coming out, I was super duper excited. And when of course she asked me if I would unbox it, I jumped at the chance. It's here. We have the box. I'm super excited to show you what's in there, but I thought I would read you a little bit of what Simply Gothic is all about. So, about Simply Gothic. I'm Kirsty, the owner of Simply Gothic. I design Gothic jewellery, stationery, accessories and more for those wanting to confidently express their individual alternative style on a budget. She also has an email list that you can sign up for on her website, where if you want to being confident with your own individuality, it's awesome. Love it. Such a great idea. I started Simply Gothic in 2017 making velvet chokers, but was always searching for a way to put my own drawn designs onto jewellery. When I later discovered acrylic, it was really a no-brainer. Being both durable and customisable, it was the perfect fit, as my designs can be directly printed onto the acrylic, giving them a unique look. Here at Simply Gothic, I believe it's important to be able to confidently express your unique individual style, even on a budget. One simple black top and skirt can be transformed into several different outfits while only changing the jewellery and accessories. If you want more of that, check out my previous video up there, Goth Outfits with wardrobe basics. Lots of Simply Gothic featuring in that video. I'll put a card up there for you as well. The perfect solution if you love experimenting with your style but are on a tight budget. As someone in the Gothic subculture, I continuously struggled to find unique jewellery and accessories that fit my style with good quality and that were also affordable. And that's exactly why Simply Gothic was created, to help those struggling with the same thing. Being a stationery addict, I was always on the lookout for a Gothic annual planner that I could use to help manage my time and stay on track but express my own style at the same time. I knew this was a problem that other Goths were struggling with too, so I created the Goth Planner. Perfect for busy, Gothic and alternative students and workers who are struggling to stay organised and be productive. In the future, I will be expanding my stationery collection to help with motivation and time management for alternative workers, students with chaotic lives. I will also be branching out into Gothic self-care items like planners and self-care boxes to help people relax after a stressful day at work, and will of course have more jewellery launches coming too. Super duper exciting. I am just, yeah, I love everything that she's done. She's just so good, and the feedback that she's been getting has been fantastic as well. As a fellow goth, I flipping love being able to have Gothic stationery. I get there's cute stuff with kittens and blah 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 blah, but sometimes you just want something with bats on it. So let's get into this amazing parcel. Let's have a look. Ooh, what's inside? What's inside? Oh, we've got bubble wrap, and we've got some stickers here that say Spooky Post. So this beautiful black tissue paper. Oh, here we go. Oh, right. So, hi Lolly. Thank you so much for collaborating with me on another video. I hope you love your new planner, Kirsty. Let's have a look. Oh, we've got a Simply Gothic business card there with all of her details on. Oh, we've got another one of these spooky ghosties, which has also got all of her stuff on there. We of course also have a code which is Heavy Metal 15 for a 15% discount at Simply Gothic. In fact, the last one I framed. I'm just waiting for Heavy Metal Hubby to put me a little nail in the wall so that I can hang it up. I love my little ghostie. Ooh, we've got little ghosty stickers. Fantastic to add to my sticker collection. I love it. Ooh, we've got another. Oh. So we've got one that says, normal is an illusion. What is normal for the spider is chaos for the fly. Morticia Adams. Well, that's going in another frame. I've got lots of these little black frames. That's going in a frame and going somewhere around here. So I hadn't realised until I was filming this B-roll that she also included these awesome stickers. Look at these gorgeous little bats. We've got all the spooky colours. We've got red, we've got grey, we've got like a lovely pink, orange and a lovely lilac. And then these amazing ones with bats and little ghosties, and they're holding a blood bag. I flipping love it. And it says Oneg on it. And then we've got these really cool blood bags here. We've got little coffins that say Vamp on them. And of course, vampire teeth. They're so cool. Love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Kirsty. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh my word, it's beautiful. Hang on, I will show you in situ. I love it. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, I flipping love it. Right, I want to carefully extract it. Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, so it's matte black, which I love. I absolutely love. I love that it's got a ring binder down here, and it says on the front, the Goth Planner, plan in spooky style 2023. Oh, it's gorgeous. We have got little skeleton like with bones, so they kind of look like a snowflake. We've got vampire teeth, we've got ghosties, we've got pumpkins. We've got little hearts with spider webs in. We've got skulls with ravens on top. Obviously bats. We have spooky snowmen. We have tombstones. It has it all. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. So in the first page we have this planner belongs to, with a lovely little ghost at the bottom, which is holding a little banner that says 2023. Oh, and then we've got the whole of the year of 2023 as a yearly calendar at the front. I love it. I love it. And then at the bottom here, we've got all of her copyright details, etc. Oh my word, this thing is beautiful. So we've got the monthly planner with Monday to Sunday for January. So it's got the whole of January. You've got a small square for each day of the month with like New Year's Day, bank holiday on it. Notes at the bottom. Then we've got a whole section of notes here. We've got goals and we've got to do. We've got spider's webs in the corner of all of them. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, wow. And then we've got December to January. We've got like a whole page for each. So we've got a page per week, with each weekday having like a small section on the side there with the notes and goals and the to-do list for every week of the year. Oh, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love it. And then every time you get to a new month, you get this monthly planner all over again with the really small boxes and the notes at the bottom, then a notes page here on the side, goals and to do. So you can plan your whole month and then you can plan it week by week as well. Oh, I absolutely love it. Now let's flick along, see if there's anything. So it does the same for all the months. I love that each month has got like a different theme. So February is a heart with spider webs in it. Then we get on to March and we've got the Plague Doctor masks. Then April is bats, flipping love it. May is tombstones, I love it. Oh my god, they're so cool. June is vampire teeth. July is spider webs in little coffins. And then July to August. So August is moons with little bats in it. September is skulls with ravens. Then October is pumpkins. And then November is ghosts. And of course, December is spooky snowmen. Absolutely love it. So then at the end, we have got pages and pages of my goals with little tick lists by them. So we've got that's a double page of my goals. I love it. So you can tick them off as you achieve them. Oh, brilliant. There's a page of birthdays. So you've got a line for each month and you can write in all your friends and family's birthdays. Then there's a load of notes pages at the back, ideas, lists. Oh, I love it. There is so much detail in this planner. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the matte black on it as well. That really appeals to my aesthetic because it just absorbs all the light. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. I am going to be using the heck out of this and I'm so pleased that I've actually got something that is my aesthetic because I get really annoyed that all the diaries and stuff are so boring and you've either got to just buy a plain black one or they're like covered in Hello Kitty or something. And don't get me wrong, I love a Hello Kitty something, but you know, I love something that's spooky even more. Oh, I've just noticed in the packaging as well, there's tiny little bats. Tiny little bats. I love it. I love it. Oh, I love all the attention to detail. She always has the most beautiful packaging. Well, what can I say? I mean, it's absolutely fabulous. I am almost certain that the planner is live now. I think it went live on Tuesday the 18th. So if you want to get your hands on one, then go head over to Simply Gothic's website. So all of her social medias, etc., you have got. Her link tree is linktr.ee/simplygothic. Her website is www.simplygothic.co.uk. Her Etsy is etsy.com/uk/shop/simplygothic.co. She's got her Instagram, which is Simply Gothic, her Facebook, which is Simply Gothic. She's on TikTok as well, and of course on YouTube. I will put all her socials down in the bottom, but go buy this off her website. Don't buy it for Etsy. She has to pay huge fees to Etsy. Buy it off her own website. I cannot recommend this thing. I cannot recommend it highly enough. I am so thrilled to have my hands on one. It's so flipping cool. I know that everybody that got one last year is absolutely thrilled with it as well. I love all the lists and the planners and I love them all already. They are so useful to me. I use them all the time and I love the fact that I can keep them out because they're spoopy. Whereas when I've got other list pads and stuff, I want to hide them away because they're the wrong aesthetic for our house. Whereas these I am happy to have out on our dresser down in our hall for people to see because they're so cool. So I absolutely love this. This will be pride of place in my handbag. This is so, so useful and I can't wait to break into it and write stuff in. I'm so, so excited. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know if you got one from the last batch from the 2022 and I would love to see what you think of it as well. Let me know if you are going to get your hands on one and remember to use that discount code that is Heavy Metal 15 at her website and that will get you a 15% discount at Simply Gothic. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I am so thrilled with it. I would love to know what you guys think of it as well, because I just think she has absolutely surpassed herself. Last year's was cool. This is amazing. Absolutely love it. Remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload. And remember people, stay heavy.